with another oh my god reaction for you guys. And I thought it would be a good idea to go back and check out some of the more early B-sides. I have been reacting to a lot more of the newer sort of B-sides. And you guys know I definitely tend to lean towards their older title tracks a little bit more. So I'm going to be doing the Windy Day album, and yeah, I'm super excited. Let's just go. Disclaimer, I will not be reading lyrics whilst listening to these songs. This is my first time hearing the songs, so I want to concentrate on the music production and their vocals, which is my priority. The lyrics distract me from that, so I'll read them later in my own time. There are plenty of reactors out there who will do lyric readings. I'm just trying to vibe. If you want to vibe with me, then cool. Okay guys, so first up on the Windy Day album, we have the track Stupid in Love. Let's go. These melodies. The harmonies in the back. Oh! Love that guitar. I love that shape in the beat. Can you hear it? Trying to hear the instruments and there's strings, and I think there might be some brass instrument. I love this do 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 do. Oh! Hear the ad-libs? Song. It was so well written. Obviously I'm not talking about the lyricism because I didn't fully understand what was being said, but just those melodies was stunning. Like every single melody and every single line, every single verse during the chorus, I love that. Stupid in love, like so many moments, the sort of moments, especially in the beginning, that was so pretty. I love the guitar strumming all throughout. I love how sort of stripped back and quite simple the instrumental was. Really nice layers of vocals, some really nice harmonies. I love the beat itself, the percussion. I pointed it out, but I could hear like a shaker, like, and I love that. I don't know why, I just really liked it. I'm not sure if I could hear some sort of like strings. It was like sort of maybe sort of string synths. And I think maybe I could hear like some sort of brass instrument, maybe. I couldn't quite work it out in the chorus. That bridge, the middle 8, was stunning. Those two chords together, it was like dun, dun. And then it changed the second time, and it was like dun, dun. I can't remember the chords, obviously. But you know what I mean, just the whole key change at the beginning of the bridge as well was beautiful. Really nice ad-libs towards the end. I love that. Let's go on to the next one. Okay guys, let's go. The next track is called B612. I don't know what that is. Is that a vitamin I don't know about? Let's go. Man, I knew I was gonna love this album. I knew it. Please, I'm gonna pass out. Oh, I love it. That's those synths. Give me like early 2000s R&B, those synths. Ooh, this sounds like a bridge. It's a post-chorus. Interesting. No, this just sounds so good. That part, that chime. Whoa! So interesting.
소중한 이별에서 너의 동그란 여행 중에 시작과 끝 나랑 함께해 그곳에 꼭 안아줄 내가 있고 네가 있어 같은 꿈을 꿔 그 여행 끝에서 나 기다릴게 나는 알고 싶어 네가 여행
With you.
세상과 세상과 나를 바라봐줘
Baby. feeling that I was gonna love this album and love the tracks on this album, but oh my goodness, again, everything I said in the previous song applies to this one as well. The melodies in that were just absolutely stunning. That pre-chorus, oh my goodness gracious me, that chord progression in the pre-chorus was stunning, and I love the dun, dun, those synths, absolutely fantastic. The structure of the song was very, very interesting as well. I don't know if it was like the B chorus or the post chorus, but it sounded like a bridge, like the switch up sounded like what a bridge would be, and then it went, I can't remember, did it go straight back into the chorus after the first one? I don't know, it was a little bit confusing. I think you'll know what I'm talking about though. And then when the bridge actually came in, it sounded different from what you'd expect a bridge to come in. My only criticism is that I think the rap could have been left out. I just didn't think it really added anything specific to the song. And you guys know I'm quite particular when it comes to rapping. In specific songs, I just don't feel like it needed to be there. I absolutely loved the song though, overall. Oh my goodness, bro, I will never get over that fucking pre-chorus. That chord progression. You guys know I love me and my punctual progression, and that was exquisite. Also vocals. Again, really nice harmonies. And the ad-libs towards the end was stunning. Let's go on to the next one. Okay guys, let's go. Next up is I Found Love. Let's go. That's bad. There's really low synth as well. Harmonies in the back again. Love that. Vocals. That part. I love the way that ended. I say it quite often, but I kind of hate the way majority of K-pop songs end abruptly. So it's nice to hear songs where a little bit of thought has gone into the intro and outro specifically of a song. That song was okay, it was nice, nothing really stood out to me. It's not really a song that I put on and listen to again. It was nicer, and there were definitely a few moments here and there that I did like. That part in the chorus where it was like dun dun dun, I can't remember how it went exactly, but you know what I mean, that little breakdown, little moment, I like that. Again, very, very good vocals, very, very nice harmonies. The ad-libs towards the end were just superb. But yeah, it was a nice song, just not really for me, not something I'd put on and listen to again. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, so next up we have the track Knock Knock. Let's go. And play.
I guess we need to talk about something. Hey,
Hey, the Fender Rose. Hey, you.
It's true, it's true, it's true. 걔는 너무 싫어, she should go. 너밖에는 없어, you should know. Beautiful, it's beautiful, beautiful.
That's the rap verse I can get with. Ooh, the melody!
It's true, it's true. 오랜 생각했어. 네 문 앞에 서서 기다릴게 나와 tonight. If you only give me one chance. 걔가 어떤 애인 줄 아니?
Oh my god, cross section.
잠시 없는 사이 널 훔쳐갔어 너. Don't let them fool you girl, don't let them fool you girl.
No.
Got me knocking, knocking, knock, knock. 이 맘을 두드려. Can't you hear me? Knock, knock. 넌 정말 몰라. Don't let them fool you girl, don't let them fool you girl. 걔가 어떤 애인 줄 아니? Knock, knock. 전화가 꺼졌네 바뀐가 봐.
Fender Rose sounds so good. Hey, hey.
내가 아닌가 날 피하나 봐. Hey you.
Hey, you.
말하지 마, 날 열이 올라. It's true, it's true, it's true. 오랜 생각했어. 네 문 앞에 서서 기다릴게 나와 tonight. If you only give me one chance. 걔가 어떤 애인 줄 아니? 정말 이상해. 내가 잠시 없는 사이 널 훔쳐갔어 너. Don't let them fool you girl, don't
Let them fool you, girl.
Got me knocking, knocking, knock, knock. 이 맘을 두드려. Can't you hear me? Knock, knock. 넌 정말 몰라. Don't let them fool you girl,
Don't let them fool you, girl. No.
어떤 애인 줄 아니? Knock, knock. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, yeah. Come on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 나 경쟁에 붙었어. 난 절대 질 수 없어. 인물 스윙 위에 지금 달려가고 있어. Rushing. That everything will be alright. 걔가 어떤 애인 줄 아니? 정말 이상해. 내가 잠시 없는 사이 널 훔쳐갔어. Don't let them fool you, girl.
Oh, the layers.
Got me knocking, knocking, knock, knock. 이 맘을 두드려. Can't you hear me? Knock, knock. 넌 정말 몰라. Don't let them fool you, girl.
Don't let them fool you, girl.
걔가 어떤 애인 줄 아니? Knock, knock. 걔가 어떤 애인 줄 아니? Knock, knock. 걔가 어떤 애인 줄 아니? Knock, knock. Don't let them fool you, girl.
Don't let them fool you, girl.
걔가 어떤 애인 줄 아니? Knock, knock.
What do I say? What can I say? What do I say? What can I say? Oh my goodness, the flavor, the soul, it was so funky, bro. The Fender Rhodes, straight away. The song started so abruptly. Like, and it was just so good all of a sudden. I didn't even get a second to breathe. Did you hear the Fender Rhodes all throughout? The instrumentation on that was spectacular. The guitars, the beat, we had brass section in the chorus. The melodies again. Oh my goodness gracious me. Are you mad? That's one of the best Oh My Girl songs I've ever heard. That was so good. Again, their vocals, impeccable. Their vocals as well were very, very soulful in that. I'm so impressed. Like, I'm so impressed. I wasn't expecting a banger like that today. Oh my God. And I enjoyed the rap verse a lot more in that one. I don't know, it just fit better. It fit with the vibe. The way it just worked better for me. Like, it didn't feel forced within the track. It just worked really well for me. Oh my God, that was spectacular. Spectacular. Let's go on to the last track. Okay guys, let's go. Last but not least, we are finishing off the album with the track Step by Step. Let's go. That chime, I love the chime. Ooh! The strings. Hey! Oh, melodies. That phrase. Ooh. The low resistance. This melody. You gotta sing. That part is so pretty. All that bass. Oh my goodness gracious me, what a way to end the album. You guys know how much I love that sort of sound, like the old school sort of G-Friend sound. I just love the instrumentation, the fusion of different sounds. You had the strings, the orchestral elements, and the live sounds along with the sort of electronic-y sounds like the synths and stuff. I just love that combination. Again, I love the melodies. Incredible vocals again, really nice harmonies. The ad-libs towards the end, again, were impeccable. I love the tempo of the chorus, the way the chorus sort of picked up. I absolutely loved that. I loved it. There was literally only one skip on this whole album. If I was gonna pick a top 3, Knock Knock was definitely my favorite. Knock Knock was definitely my favorite, my number 1. My number 2 is Stupid in Love. And then for number 3, I can't choose between B612, B612. How do you guys say that? I can't pick between that one and Windy Day because I absolutely love Windy Day. Like, I love Windy Day a lot. I think that might be my 3rd. I think Windy Day is my 3rd. Yeah, let me know your top 3 in the comments, guys. And yeah, that's it. Got nothing else left to say. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you have subscribed, I love you. I love you. Gonna follow me on Instagram, guys. Gonna follow me on Twitter. And yeah, goodbye.
Oh!